Welcome back to legitfreemoneyonline.com. My name is Gary, and today we're going to talk exclusively about Ibotta. Now, Ibotta is a cashback reward site that pays you to shop in various different stores. They offer rebates that you can check, and when you go to a grocery store, you'll get paid that percentage back through Ibotta. Now, I have with me right now my phone to verify that currently I have made $320 and have $27.90 in my current earnings. Now, this is my second account with Ibotta. The first account, um, something happened with the email and the login information, so I had to close that account. But for the purposes of what we want to do, which is being able to make continuous money every week, we're going to discuss how I do it with Ibotta. So first, when you click on Ibotta and you breeze through, you will see the recommended retailers. There's Walmart, there's Target, there's Sam's Club, there's all of the big name retailers. You'll even see, Amazon and other things like that, where they offer cash back for different items, certain items. So for a let's see, a Amazon Fire tablet, they're offering 5% cash back if you go through Ibotta. So there's that side of Ibotta as well, which I really don't focus on too much. I focus mainly on the grocery side because everyone has to make groceries. Everyone needs food. So you are going to go to the grocery store to buy certain items. Now with Ibotta, I mainly utilize Walmart because they have the most rebates. Currently, there's about 800 plus rebates that they offer through Walmart on their app and through the site. There's other, you know, big retailers, Target, like I said, Kroger's, that won't offer as many rebates, but I do understand that those might be the grocery stores that are in your area. So you just have to look on the app to see what's the closest retailers in your area. So when you first browse through the app and click on the recommended retailers, you're going to see what items are offered and at what cashback offer. They'll provide details, meaning as what size or quantity you have to buy in order to get the rebate. But they'll also let you know which specific item is valid for the offer and which items are excluded from the offer. So it's very clear on what you can buy. So if I click on this Mountain Dew Frostbite, it's specifically for a 20-ounce Mountain Dew Frostbite that they're offering 50-cent cash back on. Now, that particular drink might cost about $2. So you buy it at the store, you would get the receipt. When you get back to the app, you already have it checked off on your list. Then you will simply go to redeem and it will ask you to scan the item receipt. Now, some stores do not have barcodes, so you will simply scan the entire receipt and it'll get sent to Ibotta and it will check it for accuracy. I like Walmart because there's a barcode. It's instant. You will be notified how many offers you have on the receipt and you will receive that cash back. So, as we talked about in a previous video, if you utilize my link and my promo code, you automatically receive $10 when you scan your first receipt. On your first receipt, you're going to see it's probably going to have an offer for any receipt. Like you get 10 cents just for scanning a receipt. That'll activate the $10. But there's also a web browser, a Chrome web browser that you can download with the promotion going on right now of $5. So you can start out with $15 by basically just downloading the app, downloading the browser. Then, like I said, before you go to the grocery store, look through Ibotta. What items that you normally buy are included in their list of items. I'd say there's probably at least 10 items that you know that you're going to buy that already has a rebate within the app. So I'm going to say that you can easily um, cross the $20 payment threshold that they have for Ibotta. Currently, you can attach your bank account to have the money automatically deposited. You can connect your PayPal, and then you can use, or you can get any gift card as a reward. Of course, all the popular gift cards, Amazon, eBay, Nike, all of that is an option. So the next thing I want to talk about is the um, bonuses. There's always weekly bonuses with Ibotta. There's usually a weekend bonus, weekend warrior bonus, and a midweek bonus. So these bonuses, and as you can see, I've completed a few bonuses. I'm sorry I'm just putting this up to the camera. I mean, I could have actually recorded my phone. And like I said, we're going to do that in videos in the future, but I just wanted to basically start getting the information out to people and stop wasting time and thinking that I had to have the best video with graphics and the best thumbnail that's going to attract people and stuff like that. I rather just get the information out first, and I can worry about doing all of that flashy stuff later. So there's always going to be some type of bonus, midweek or weekend warrior bonus. And if you are on my team, basically by joining my link and putting the promo code in, you really don't have to do anything to get the bonuses that we work as a team to get, because I'm constantly aiming towards accomplishing all of these bonuses. But as a team, you work on these bonuses together. So, for instance, if you had just joined on my team, and like I said, you downloaded the app, put in the promo code, you scan your first receipt, you get your $10, and I completed the midweek bonus that was $5. Then you've got $15, and then I'm working on this weekend warrior bonus, which is an extra dollar. It's not much, but uh, once the week is over, then there'll be another midweek bonus. So you can easily accumulate money by just basically doing nothing, by being a part of my team. But I would encourage anybody that's that grocery shops every week or shops for the family, before you go to the grocery store, to take a look at Ibotta first. I recommend Ibotta first above all apps because, like I showed you, I've gained over 300 something dollars, and that's just within the last month or two of me really being back active, to the point where I wanted to give this information out to the world. Um, like I said in my previous videos, I'm not new to earning money online, but I've been kind of beta testing this information before presenting it to the world. So this to me is the number one way, because everyone has to go to the grocery store. If you're gonna go to the grocery store, you might as well take a look at Ibotta first, then Fetch, then Swag Bucks, then Shop Kicks, then Checkpoints, to see what items all of these apps might have together, because there is a chance that these items might have rebates on all of the apps. Once you download Ibotta and kind of get familiar with it, you will see how the advertisers of these products are trying to attract people to these products by offering the rebates, by seeing how well they're going to do. And that's kind of how Ibotta has become so popular, because I might not have it in mind to try the new Cheerios. That's a limited time product, but because I get $1.50 back, it makes sense to buy them and try them if I like Cheerios anyway. So that's kind of the formula I utilize, or the formula you can become familiar with once you look through the app and see all the different offers. Now, there's not just food um within these stores. There's beauty products, cleaning products, wine, alcohol, pet food. There's batteries, household appliances. There's, like I said, between 800 items on Walmart or 400 to 500 items on Target. You're bound to need at least, at the minimum, five of these items. So if you're going to go shop for them anyway, a good idea or a good rule of thumb would be, before I leave the house, let me take a quick look at these apps and see what rebates are offered. And then when I'm done and I come home, I have the receipt, I scan the receipt, and I get my cash back like that. And I'll let it accumulate, or then I could put this money aside, or I can let it grow and get one big gift card in one, or whatever. But The possibilities are endless, and that's why I'm trying to give this information to the world. Even though it's not new, even though Ibotta is very popular, commercials on the radio, commercials on television, not too many people, you know, can understand how this can become a huge asset to you and your family. So, like I described before, you have at least 2 or 3 people in your family who you can go to, give them your referral code. That way, you automatically have other people out there who are serious about using it, and you all can work as a team to grow your, accumulate more money. Um, this is good for people who like the coupon. It's just another way to get cash back. And like I said, there's other stores. You can shop online through Ibotta. Like any, there's even a bonus for Uber. There's a bonus for hotels.com. So once you get inside the app and see all what is offered, I don't think you'll turn away once you download this app. So once again, that's Gary for Legit Free Money Online. Legit money, legit proof. Thank you.